In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Karbon works and how accounting firms use it to manage clients, projects, communication, and workflows more efficiently. We'll start by exploring what Karbon is and how it helps accounting and professional service firms centralize their daily operations. Next, we'll take a look at its core features, including project management, email management, client records, and collaboration tools. After that, we'll break down Karbon's pricing plans and compare the different options available for firms of various sizes. Finally, we'll walk through the process of getting started, including booking a demo and understanding how the platform can fit into your firm's workflow. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Karbon is a cloud-based practice management platform designed specifically for accounting, bookkeeping, tax, and professional service firms. Instead of managing work through spreadsheets, emails, and disconnected software tools, Karbon brings everything together into one centralized workspace. According to Karbon, the platform helps firms improve productivity, automate repetitive processes, strengthen client relationships, and gain better visibility into ongoing work. One of the biggest reasons firms choose Karbon is collaboration. Team members can manage emails, tasks, client information, projects, and communications from a single dashboard. Managers can quickly see who is working on what tasks are overdue, and where bottlenecks are occurring. Now let's explore the products and features available inside Karbon. From the homepage, navigate to the Products or Features section. Here you'll find a complete suite of tools designed to manage nearly every aspect of an accounting practice. Let's now explore the products and features available in Karbon. First, we have Workflow Automation. This feature helps firms automate recurring work, client requests, reminders, and internal processes. Instead of manually creating the same tasks over and over, teams can build automated workflows that save time, reduce errors, and ensure work is completed consistently. Next is Project Management. This allows firms to plan, organize, and monitor all client work from a single location. Managers can assign tasks, track deadlines, monitor progress, and quickly identify bottlenecks before they become problems. Email management brings client communication directly into Karbon. Emails can be linked to specific clients, projects, and tasks, ensuring important conversations never get lost in individual inboxes. This also gives the entire team visibility into client communications. Team collaboration helps employees work together more effectively. Team members can share updates, leave comments, assign responsibilities, and collaborate on projects without switching between multiple applications. Close automation is designed to simplify financial close processes. It helps accounting teams standardize procedures, track completion status, and ensure all required steps are completed accurately and on time. Moving to the Clients section, Engagements helps firms manage the entire life cycle of client work. From planning and execution to delivery and follow-up, Engagements provide structure and visibility for every service being provided. Client Management acts as a central hub for client information. Contact details, communication history, documents, tasks, and ongoing projects are all stored in one place, making it easier to maintain strong client relationships. The Client Portal provides a secure environment where clients can exchange documents, respond to requests, and communicate with the firm. This reduces email clutter while improving collaboration and data security. Tax organizers and binders are designed to streamline tax preparation workflows. Firms can collect client information, organize supporting documents, and maintain a structured process throughout tax season. Payroll helps firms manage payroll-related services and responsibilities more efficiently. It provides greater visibility into payroll workflows while helping teams stay organized and compliant. Under Payments, billing and payments enables firms to create invoices, track outstanding balances, process payments, and manage revenue collection from within a single platform. Time tracking and budgets helps teams accurately record billable and non-billable hours. Managers can monitor project budgets, measure team productivity, and ensure engagements remain profitable. In the Documents section, Document Management provides a centralized repository for storing, organizing, and accessing important files. This makes document retrieval faster while improving consistency across the firm. E-signatures and approvals allows firms to collect legally binding electronic signatures and manage approval processes digitally. This eliminates paperwork and speeds up document completion. If you scroll all the way to the footer, you will see a contact section with 3 options. If you click on Live Sales Chat, a chat assistant will open where you can chat, ask for a meeting, or learn more about Karbon itself. You can also click on Email Sales, which will redirect you to Outlook or Gmail so you can email them directly. If you click on Contact Karbon, you will land on a page that is designed to help both existing users and new customers quickly get the support they need. If you are already using Karbon, you can also access in-app support directly from your account for faster assistance. Next, if you need direct help, Karbon provides 24/7 support through phone. You can contact their support team using regional phone numbers for the US, UK, and Australia. For business inquiries, or if you want to explore Karbon for your organization, you can reach out to their sales team through the Contact Sales option on the page. This connects you directly with their experts. Now let's take a look at Karbon's pricing plans. On the pricing page, you'll see 3 options: Team, Business, and Enterprise. Starting with the Team plan, it costs $59 per month per user when billed annually, or $79 per month per user when billed monthly. It is designed for smaller accounting firms that need core workflow and collaboration tools. Next is the Business plan, which is the most popular option. It costs $89 per month per user when billed annually, or $99 per month per user when billed monthly. It includes everything in Team, plus additional automation and integration features to improve efficiency. Finally, the Enterprise plan offers custom pricing for larger organizations. It includes all team and business features, along with advanced customization, support, and enterprise-level capabilities. If you're not sure which plan is right for your firm, you can compare the features or contact Karbon's sales team for guidance. Finally, let's see how to get started with Karbon. From the home page, you'll notice a prominent Book a Demo button as well as a Login button. If you already have an account, click the Login option on the website and enter your registered email address and password to access your workspace. If you don't have an account yet, click the Get Started button in the top right corner. Next, enter your work email address and click Book a Demo. A form will then appear. Fill out the required information, including your first and last name, company name, employee count, and phone number. Once you've entered everything correctly, click Submit to schedule a personalized demonstration with a Karbon specialist. During the demo, the Karbon team will show you how the platform works and how it can fit your firm's specific needs. And there you have a complete, step-by-step overview of how the Karbon software works. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.